how to use two Instagram accounts on iPhone. So it doesn't matter whether it is 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, you can actually add multiple accounts on your Instagram app on your iPhone or even on Android. The process is pretty much the same. All you have to do is simply open up the Instagram app, and this is the kind of interface that you will see. Just tap on the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen, and again this is the kind of interface you will see. From the very top left, you'll actually find your profile ID. So you can actually tap on your profile ID there, and here you'll find the option to add another Instagram account. So if you've already added it, you'll find the list here, but you can add as much more as you want by tapping on login to existing account, enter the new account that you want to log into, and once done, you'll be successfully logged in inside the Instagram app. And in the future, you can simply double tap on this little profile icon there, and then you'll be able to simply and easily switch between those multiple accounts on Instagram. So this way you'll be able to use two Instagram accounts on iPhone. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.